Good morning, friends. As the Lord fights for you, the key is to find His rest. As we read from Exodus 14 and verse 14, the Lord will fight for you, and you shall hold your peace. Please pray with me. Lord, I thank you that you fight for me in every battle. I surrender all my fears, struggles, and uncertainties into your hands. Where I have tried to fight on my own, teach me to trust fully in your strength. I receive your protection and guidance today. Let me experience your faithfulness in tangible ways. Help me to rest in your presence and not be anxious about outcomes. Show me your power and your love in my circumstances, Lord, so that my heart is encouraged, my spirit strengthened, and my faith grows as I see you move for me. Amen.